What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making rice pilaf, and we're gonna bake our rice in the oven. So, cheers, and let's cook. Behind me I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, so I'm gonna go to the stove and bring 4 cups of chicken stock to a boil while we put together everything else. Now, into my pan, I'm gonna go in with 2 cups of rice. I have 2 carrots, small diced, 2 stalks of celery, small diced, and 1 onion, small diced. Also going to throw in a bay leaf, like 2 teaspoons, to a tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I have 2 tablespoons of butter cut up into pads. Now we're just going to wait for that stock to come to a boil. Stock came to a boil. I'm just going to pour that over our rice mixture. I'm going to cover that pan with some tin foil. I'm going to try to wrap it around there as tight as I can. Now we're going into our 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I baked that for 25 minutes, and now I'm going to let that sit covered for 10 minutes, and then we just got to fluff it with a fork, and it'll be ready to go. We got some beautiful, delicious rice here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.